They are finally here, the brand new Hot Wheels Zero Speed series, which is a collaboration with the video game Project Cars 2, delivers some of the most awesome Hot Wheels race cars we've ever seen. So today we are unboxing all 5 cars in this set, of which 3 are based on Project Cars 2, and one of them is a brand new casting for this year. Let's take a look at our first Euro car. This is the Shamrock Green Alfa Romeo Giulia Sprint GTA. It has white striping across the hood, roof, and sides, the racing number 96, and some shiny vintage wheels that complete this Italian classic. The second Euro Speed model is based on the video game Project Cars 2, and it's the legendary BMW M1 PROCAR. You'll notice the bright colored striping, which is similar to the logo of the game, but my favorite thing about this car are the gold wheels that really glow on this black race car. Number 3 is an old classic. This is the Mercedes-Benz 190e 2.516, also based on Project Cars 2. What I really love about this one is its all black look. It has a dark front grille, super clean gray stripes, and sinister wheels to wrap up its style. Euro Speed 4 is an urban outlaw car, the shiny Porsche 993 GT2. To shake up its shine, this car has a custom black hood and wheels, a sweet wide body kit, and urban outlaw logos across the vehicle. Number 5 in the set is a Project Cars 2 model and also a brand new casting, the Audi R8 LMS race car. It's my favorite Hot Wheels in this set. The white color and red racing lines along with the black side blade and wing on the back make this the incredible highlight casting of the series. Those are the 5 Hot Wheels in the brand new Euro Speed Car Culture series, which is definitely my favorite car culture set of the year so far. If you want to see more Hot Wheels unboxing videos, be sure to subscribe here at HotDiecast Garage, and I'll see you guys on my next video.